Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create these soft beach waves. I use the Bio Ionic extra long barrel in 1.25 inches. So if you want to learn how to create these beach waves yourself, keep on watching.
I start with clean, mostly straight hair. My first section is all of my natural hair. And my first section in front of my ear is always away from my face. Once I get behind my ear, then I'll alternate the direction. My next section is a mix of my natural hair and my extensions. I make sure to curl my natural hair separate from the extensions. This creates cleaner waves around my face. I run my curling iron through my extension hair once or twice just to smooth down the extension hair. And my section size is about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. I leave about 1 inch out at the end so that way it creates more of a beach vibe. And I slightly drag my curling iron down so that way it keeps the ends straight. One of the most important things to do while you're curling your hair is to always keep your section where the hair lives. For example, I'm curling my hair right up to the scalp and not starting at the ends. By starting up at my scalp, I create more movement in my curls as opposed to starting at the bottom where all my curls would just live towards the ends. I insert my curling iron right at the base of my scalp, and then I just twist until I get towards the ends of my hair. Then I continue to twist the hair as I'm releasing it from the curling iron, and then just pull straight down towards the ends. I have my curling iron set to 360 degrees or about medium-high heat. So when it comes to this top part where my natural hair is, I don't hold the curling iron in nearly as long, and I also don't pass it through. The section right in front of my face I hold forward so that way it lays really nicely. I continue to alternate my waves and I keep holding the curling iron right where my hair lives. I don't brush any of my curls out until they're all set. Then I use L'Oreal's Next Day Finishing Spray. And I use my Dry Flex wet brush to brush everything out. And that's it. That's what I use to create this soft beach look. I do this on all of my clients and on myself.
If you want to see more, subscribe below and follow me over on Instagram at Marissa Hair. Thanks guys, see you later.